Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find the Swift code of Dutch Bangla Bank Limited in the app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find Swift code of Dutch Bangla Bank, what you need to do is understand what is a Swift code. A Swift code is also called a PIC, is a unique identifier used in international bank transfers so funds go to the correct bank or branch. In order to find it, what you can do is first simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar simply type in Dutch Bangla Bank Swift code. Now once you hit search, the Swift code of the Dutch Bangla Bank will be provided to you, which is DBBL-BDD@15, and the bank name is Dutch Bangla Bank PLC, and the bank address is the given location. Now the next method that you can use in order to find the Swift code of the Dutch Bangla Bank is simply head over to your browser once again, or simply open up the Dutch Bangla application, and then once you're inside your browser, type in Dutch Bangla Bank and then tap on the first link that is shown to you. Once inside, simply select internet banking, and once you're inside your internet banking, simply select log into internet banking to log in into the Dutch Bangla Bank account. Then simply enter in your user ID and then your password, and then simply tap on login. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is here simply head over to the account details for the account you want to receive international transfers. There you find the international PIC or Swift details under account info. Some apps label it as bank info, Swift code, or routing details. If you don't see a specific Swift code listed, the app might not display it directly. In that case, simply check official bank documents. We can visit the bank's official website and search for the Swift or PIC as well. Or we can simply contact customer support through the app or call their helpline and ask for the correct Swift code for your branch or account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.